When you buy insurance, you are often protecting yourself. But what happens when you cause damage to someone else? Let's break down third-party coverage. In the insurance world, third-party coverage is essentially liability insurance. It covers the costs you owe to others if you cause harm. Think of it as a triangle. You are the first party, your insurance company is the second, and the victim is the third party. This type of policy pays for the damage you cause to others, including their medical expenses and repairs to their property. While third-party insurance is often a legal requirement, comprehensive coverage is optional and focuses on protecting your own property from non-accident events. Liability or third-party coverage often makes up the largest portion of an auto insurance premium because it addresses the highest financial risks. Remember that this coverage is designed to shield your personal savings and assets from being drained by a legal claim. Always check your local requirements to ensure you have the minimum liability coverage needed. Thanks for watching and stay financially savvy.